Muhammad Umar Farooq biological video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ask the question for answer and comment about the artwork. You can also answer question to each other for solving the problem in the comment below. So here we will discuss about the hybridoma technology. So the hybridoma technology, hybrid mean the two different type of cell which that combine to become a hybridoma cell. So that is used for the production of monoclonal antibodies. So the hybridoma technology produces a large number of monoclonal antibodies against the particular antigen. So the monoclonal antibodies is importance about that it's used for the against the disease, cancer, and other things, which that is used for the anti-cancerous or anti-venom uh, property, which that is used for it in the human body, and it is culture in the outside of the environment is known as the ex vivo. So that's monoclonal antibody is here, which that is present after the culturing of the monoclonal antibody. So the monoclonal antibody used for cancer, anti-venom, snake, spider, and autoimmune disorder. So the monoclonal antibody produced by a WBC from plasma cell. It means the plasma cell is come from B cell, which that is proliferate and differentiate after the recognition of antigen to produce plasma cell, which that is used for the production of antibody at that time when the antibody is used for it and the time of infection. On the other hand, the B memory cell is also produced, which that is used for the long lasting immune response for further infection time. So I hope you make sense. Next year we will discuss about also the plasma cell. So let's begin to understand the plasma cell. So the plasma cell is the maturation of naive B cell and differentiation to produce B memory cell and plasma cell. So the plasma cell is at the time of infection rapidly produce the antibodies against the antigen when infection time, which that is antigen are present in the human body or animal. So the cell is short lifespan. So that is why we use hybridoma technology which produce hybridoma cell. So that means the plasma cell is short lifespan. It means how to produce hybridoma cell and plasma cell convert to hybridoma cell, which that is important for it. So let's begin to understand about the antigen inject into the mice to understand the plasma cell. So here I am drawing the antigen which that is inject in the form of injection. So inject into the mice, and mice contain spleen. This spleen is used for the B cell, naive B cell to proliferate into the plasma cell as well as B memory cell. After this the antigen injection, the mice will be sick, and after that sacrifice by the mice with our own self to separate the spleen. So the spleen contain splenocytes. These splenocytes made up of different cell. So the splenocyte is also contain a naive B cell, which that is proliferate after the recognition of antigen to produce B memory cell and plasma cell. So the B memory cell and plasma cell. B memory cell is used for the long lasting immunity, which that is the adaptive immunity, and plasma cell, which that means it produce the antibody against the antigen at that a particular infection time. So it means the plasma cell is produced a lot of antibody, and plasma cell produce the same type of antibody against the antigen just. So it means I hope you make sense about that. Now let's talk about the antibody. What is the antibody? Antibody is the immunoglobulin, is the protein which that is short chain and long chain Y shape. I hope you might sense about that, and that is the basically here is the antibody antigen complex will be formed, which that is opsonization by this complementary system to kill that antigen, and that means the inactivation of the antigen and engulfed by the macrophage and neutrophil. So that's important thing is the opsonization is used for the engulfing and recognition by the macrophage and neutrophil. So here is the antibody which contains short chain and long chain, H chain and L chain. L chain mean long chain and H mean the basically short chain which contain a different subunit, and these chain contain a amino acid, and it is the effector as well as disulfide bond, and here is the hinge region and carbohydrate are present. So the short antigen binding site are present is here. So it means the Y shape which that is configuration is changed and antigen binding site will be changed to the particular antigen against the antigen. So let's talk about the cancer cell. Here is the person which that is contain a cancerous cell. This cancerous cell is known as the myeloma cell, and this myeloma cell is basically contain rapidly growth and immortal in nature, while the plasma cell in the outside of the environment is the short lifespan, and it means the mortality rate is the high as compared to the cancerous cell. So here is the normal cell in the tissue, while here is the cancerous cell is known as the myeloma cell. It is immortal in nature, so it means it is long lasting living their behavior. It means the rapidly grow and it is growable, and plasma cell combined and fusion will be occur to produce hybridoma cell. This hybridoma cell mean it is culture in the outside in the petri dish you can say, and this environment will be provide amino acid, sugar, etc. and nucleotide. So this is the antibodies plus immortal cell will be formed. It means the plasma cell will be die rapidly while the hybridoma cell will remain behind. So I hope you make sense. Now let's talk about the procedure of hybridoma technology. So let's talk about here is the mice which that is introduced the antigen specific particular antigen. For example, that antigen is you cause the disease. So it is infection site, the intravenous injection will be occur in the mice, and that spleen will be mature that plasma cell as well as B memory cell. So we will discuss here is the spleen which contains splenocyte, and here is the antigen will recognize the B cell to produce plasma cell, which plasma cell is able to produce a lot of antibodies in the same particular antigen. So this is the spleen which contain artery, vein and lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is important for the immune system. So here is the plasma cell will be separate after the sacrifice of the mice, and that plasma cell and myeloma cell will be fused. This fusion is occurred by the polyethylene glycol, or on the other hand electroporation system. So that is electroporation process is also used for it. So the polyethylene glycol is used for the fusion of plasma cell and myeloma cell. So it means the fusion will be occur. After this fusion, that is the basically four type of cell will be performed. For example, 4 type. Why? Because some cell is not fused with a myeloma cell, it will remain the unfused. On the other hand, the fused plasma cell mean 2 type of cell will be both same plasma cell fused also. But here we will discuss about all the fused plasma cell, fused myeloma cell, hybridoma cell, unfused plasma cell, and unfused myeloma cell. So that means the 5 type of cell will be produced: fused plasma cell, fused myeloma cell, hybridoma cell, and unfused plasma cell and unfused myeloma cell. It means that is plasma cell and myeloma cell will be fused to produce hybridoma cell, while other is a fused myeloma cell and fused plasma cell. And unfused plasma cell also and unfused myeloma cell also will be occur. But we will select the hybridoma cell as a mother cell. So the selection of hybridoma cell into the HAT media. HAT mean hypoxanthine, aminopterin, and thymidine, which that is a component of HAT media, is compositely. So here is after the replication of DNA in hybridoma cell, it means the hybridoma cell will be replicate and also produce the same type of antibody. So how it's possible? Antibody will be we will separate. We can separate, and that HAT media will be used. So here is the two type of pathway will be used to increase the nucleotide for the replication. So the nucleotide is made up of ribose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. So these nitrogenous base and phosphate group will be added with the salvage pathway. On the other hand, the de novo pathway. So salvage pathway is the old nucleotides degraded to produce new nucleotide from the old nucleotide. So that means it is used the hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase enzyme use HGPRT is the simple. So it is produce the nucleotide which that is used for the making a new DNA after the replication. While on the other hand is the amazing thing is here is the phosphate and amino and sugar are present in the HAT media, which that is used for the de novo pathway. And this is the de novo pathway is due to the new nucleotide will be formed, and this is the aminopterin block dihydrofolate reductase is used for the inhibition of the de novo pathway and promotion of the salvage pathway. I hope you make sense about that. So let's here we will discuss about again 5 type of cell will be produced after the culturing: fused plasma cell, fused myeloma cell, hybridoma cell, unfused plasma cell, and unfused myeloma cell. So the plasma and myeloma cell, basically HGPRT are present in the fused plasma cell, but fused myeloma cell is absent, while the unfused plasma cell is produced also, but unfused myeloma cell is not. But hybridoma cell also contain plasma plus myeloma cell. It means that is the basically fused plasma cell are present, and that means the HGPRT are present. So that means the salvage pathway will be occur. So the HAT media is here, which produce a rapid growth, and we can separate the antibodies containing a hybridoma cell to recognize the specific antibody which that is